Where are you going with my glove? Bring that back over here. Don't kill my glove. Thank you, Mr. Blue. Yeah, okay, thank you. Hey, folks, here are puppies early morning. I thought I would introduce them for one of these puppies. It's going to be your only chance. It's your only chance, Marta. You're going to, what? You're going to get to see Mr. Stick. Yeah, you like Mr. Stick, do you? Yeah, Mr. Stick is a stick. And he's got some white duct tape that I used to put on my white van. Yeah, that's right. It's right to be cautious. Watch out, watch out. I got it. I got it. It's dead now. It's dead. No, it's not. It's still alive. No, it's dead. It is still alive. You want any, Chester? I don't know what it is yet, boss. Let's see what happens if Mr. Stick lays down. Uh-oh. Watch out, Mr. Stick. Watch out. Oops. Watch out, Ben, before you fall off the porch. Watch out, Mr. Stick. Watch out. Yeah. Something I can do for you, Chester. Something I can do for you. Something I can do for you, Miss Purple. Somebody was asking about you today. Yeah, they was. Yeah. Yeah. Marta, you better get your stick. Kill that stick. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Yeah, that's a good pop. Thank you there. Thank you. All right, well, yeah. Yeah, first time with Mr. Stick. Nobody wants to latch on, huh? Oh, okay, somebody does. Yeah, Chester, you being bold? It's like it doesn't taste good. Yeah, well, you're right. It probably doesn't. Maybe I should tie a rag. Oh, I know what I should do. I should put a glove on the end of it. Yeah. All right, let me do that. Talk to you next time, folks.